Hey friends, if Discord messages are failing to load on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before we proceed with this, there is one exception to all these solutions. That is if your account is banned. If your account is banned, then you will not load any messages if you are already logged into Discord. And if you're not logged into Discord, then you will not be able to log into Discord. You will get an error message. To confirm this, log out from your Discord account and try logging back in. After this, you can check the Discord server status. So open Bing and search for Discord server status and hit enter and go to discordstatus.com. Wait for it to load. And if it says that the server status is all functional, like all in green, then it's well and good. If it says that it's red, then maybe you'll have to wait for a while. The second solution is to check the internet speed. For this, go to this website fast.com and hit enter. Wait, it's fast.com. And then check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If it's good enough, then Discord should work. The next solution is to delete Discord app data, which basically means deleting the Discord cache in case it has gone corrupt. So press the Windows key and the R button together, type %app data % and hit enter. You'll find the Discord folder here. Right click on it and select delete and try to delete it again. Okay, if it doesn't delete, then search for task manager and open the task manager. If anything related to Discord is open here, then terminate it. Like the Discord is open here, so we will end the process. And then I will try again and see it got deleted. The last solution is to reinstall the app. Why? Because there's no option to reset and repair it. So all you can do is reinstall it, especially from the Microsoft Store. Search for Discord and click on uninstall. And then you will have to uninstall it. Once it has uninstalled, you can search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, you can search for Discord and then open Discord and then install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.